Welcome to Solaris Tips. Dreaming of that golden glow from your next vacation? So, let's find out how to achieve that perfect summer tan for the vacations safely and amazingly. The first step is to understand your skin type. Understanding your skin's reaction to the sun is step one to a gorgeous tan. Dry skin may struggle to tan evenly and might be more prone to sunburn. To keep your skin hydrated and get an even tan, moisturize regularly, especially before tanning, if that's your preference. Oily skin can make the skin appear shiny and may lead to difficulties in achieving an even tan. Oily skin is less likely to get sunburned because the natural oils provide extra protection from the sun. It's crucial to cleanse thoroughly before tanning to remove excess oils and prevent clogged pores. The melanin content in the skin plays a significant role in how it tans. Melanin is the pigment responsible for determining skin color and provides natural protection against UV radiation. Darker skin has more melanin, which protects against sunburn and helps achieve a darker tan that lasts longer. Lighter skin has less melanin and is more prone to sunburn. It needs extra care and gradual sun exposure to tan safely. Get your skin ready to perfection. A week before your vacation, start removing dead skin cells with a gentle cleanser. This makes for an even tan. Hydrate, drink plenty of water, and moisturize your skin to keep it supple. Eat foods high in beta-carotene before your trip. These foods include carrots, mangoes, apricots, papaya, tomatoes, and spinach. These foods help your body make more melanin, protecting it from UV rays and giving you a nice tan. The choice of your sunscreen is crucial, as it will be your best ally. Choosing the right SPF isn't just about protection, it's about tanning smartly. Go for a broad-spectrum sunscreen to shield against UVA and UVB rays. Yes, you can tan with sunscreen on. Safe tanning practices. Timing is key. Early morning or late afternoon, that's your golden hour for sunbathing. The sun is less intense, so you can enjoy it without overdoing it. Aim for short sessions. Less is more. Sunscreen application. To prevent skin damage, apply sunscreen or tanning lotion generously and frequently, especially after swimming or sweating. Remember to cover your ears, toes, and lips too. Changing positions frequently and rotating regularly can help you achieve an even tan without getting burned. To ensure you get an even tan, set up an alarm on your cell phone to remind you every 20 or 30 minutes. When it goes off, turn backward and sideways to evenly expose all parts of your body to the sun. After tanning care. After sun exposure, cool down and take a warm shower. Moisturizing your skin with aloe vera gel and/or vitamin E lotion is fantastic for soothing sun-kissed skin. It reduces redness and helps prevent peeling. To prolong your tan. To keep your skin hydrated and maintain your tan for longer. Hydrate from the inside out by drinking water. Additionally, use skincare products like rich moisturizer or after sun lotion to lock in moisture. Keep up this routine even after returning home to prolong the color. Lastly, jot down these additional tips. Enhance your tan by wearing a hat, sunglasses, or lightweight clothing. Use lip balm with SPF protection. Drink a lot of water, keep hydrated. Occasionally, remove your swimsuit straps to avoid tan lines. Don't use scrubs when bathing after you get the tan. That will exfoliate your skin and lose the tan cells. Be patient and take your time to get a great tan over the next few days. Don't rush the process on the first day. The best time to sunbathe is between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. or from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. to reduce the risk of skin cancer. You can still get a tan while sitting in the shade at the beach. This is because the sand reflects sunlight onto your skin gradually. However, the intensity of the sunlight is less. Follow these tips during your vacation at Club Solaris in the stunning Caribbean destinations to guarantee the perfect tan you desire.